because of waiting. Trust you are doing great. Thank you, Mami Ebere. You see these people, they say that the Jesus say, may we they save because of the day we go receive wonderful letter before letter go come of movie. Say some people they don't go back to any country from Germany after a few months or 1 year. Kitty. They rob out. Why? Because money not there. Why? Because something not there. And he's right. Most people they always they talk and say now because say money no they reach that they live. Money no they reach that they use. Well, especially when you get children. I don't really know anything that they buy for little children for crying out loud. For me personally. Before you go start to they spend money for pikin. Now when pikin go don't reach 10 years, 8, 9 years. From 9 years you can still control a child or set it this way that they buy. If pikin they small, he no get mad to tell you say he need marker shoe. Now when pikin don't reach 8, 9 years, 10 years, when the pikin smart, now you go call they tell you what he wants. But when children are small, you can still control them. You can still break them. Believe me, yes. Yes, the most time they watch you offline. Ah, okay. Okay, Mommy Justin, no problem. Okay. You dey see, huh? You dey see, huh? So, if you get little children, I don't know why you don't feel safe. What? Why can't you save? When people say they go to say social people with 3 children that they get 1,002 for food. 1,003 for food. Single mother with 3 children. 1,213 for food. Why couples go they carry 1,500 for food? What you not want eat? You tell us say you they carry money go house. Who is that the GOA again? Eh? Most of us now money would they say go as which is true. Me I not believe you know say that is your talker just now. Me I not believe say people are not really saving. I don't believe. I don't believe because you can manage. You go see they eat belly food. You see they shop food. You know it's they mostly they break us down for abroad. Now unnecessary buying. Unnecessary buying. Unnecessary sending money back home when you are not balanced here. Unnecessary buying. Buying food. Buying book. Even I won't do shopping. 500 euro go come up from my hand. But 6 months, I not go buy again. 6 months. I not go buy. Only wait till I go they buy. You know pass all those petty things. Like, maybe bag of rice, because my children, they eat basmati rice, like I say tomorrow, not day. Bag of rice every month. I'm on 52 euro. 20 kilo I they buy. You understand? Yes, you can call in and make your contribution. It's no problem. Because me, I don't believe say people are not saving. Me, I say get children. You cannot come and tell me that. Yes. I dey save for my children. You cannot come and tell me that. Say you not feel safe. Say you get children. Yeah, you ask me everybody how they do it. May I teach you? Jesus Christ. Stop buying unnecessary things. As a mother, must you buy in a year 20 shoes? For what? Big. Hello, caller. Good evening. Good evening, mommy.
I won't contribute for this matter.
Okay, mama, we hear you.
For this saving issue,
yes.
You know, say for some people, no easy because like for we now, longer they work. You understand? So
yes.
After you don't remove house strength, pay light bill, pay heater cost, and they come still pay food for picking for school, you know. When you don't come today like that, before you come buy things, maybe 100 or even 50 euro come the for hand.
No, I not believe that one, mama. Forget that story. All of us they said this Dutch land. Who should be 100 euro, 50 euro?
Everybody see this will not be say lying matter. Me, I feel you know say you better will be say I don't come take a sister. I feel forward everything for you.
Mama,
so,
when your salary is not enough, you can apply for Utashtu song. You know that one.
Yes, you know what they tell us we say. They say because of our asylum, because we'll also go renew. Say because of our asylum. So we need to more than they work at 1,400, especially they support us with 300. After that 1,400, they pay our strength, they pay light bill, they pay heater cost, they pay picking food.
1,400 and just social they supporting on to how much?
300. So sometimes if you reach that kind of 250.
Okay, let me say 1,400 plus 250. That is 1,650. It's not possible. That is the money for only food for the family. You understand?
You see?
That is only the money for food. How many una be abe no verse?
Will be 4.
Una be 4. That is money for only food for the family. Let me tell you, say I don't believe. Because normally, for a family of 4, you people supposed to have 2,000 plus aspect and everything.
Now, what these people say they talk, they say because they
something is wrong somewhere.
Submit a marriage certificate. They say because of submit marriage certificate, so no more got responsibility to take care of everybody.
I bet now we sitting they stay, Mama.
We did Bremen.
Bremen. I beg, enter internet, check the list. Not be said that they lie for person. You people have to apply. Not 1,000. How much? 650 euro. You pay house rent. You pay Piki kindergarten food money. You go pay light bill. For waiting, how much won't remain? I beg, I not believe that one. When I not vex, I not believe that.
No worry. Anytime when you get chance, maybe you let me know. I'll call you. Might show you all the old documents. Since I'm not the lie. We don't go social. They say, nah, of course, Morganito, they do everything.
They own that money. Those people are cheating you people. It's not possible. It's not possible. Normally, una supposed to get as soon as before 2 children, 2 adults. As soon as they una supposed to get for food. At least 1, 2, 1, 3 for food. Una supposed to get.
The time we say Morgan never they work, would they receive, would they feed, they save. As Morgan can't start work, as in, what would be like people where they won't go. The way what this saving issues are, but like my friend now they tell me say we could be separate, we'll see if they will feed the give us. But the lawyer will go me say if we separate now, if it affect our documents. So
some people say you are saying the truth. Like seriously? That means social people are earning money. No, say I don't know. My people I don't know because my husband is earning good. When I say good, very, very good. So I really don't know. You understand? So, but people who I know say they day social, when they day job center, I don't know about social. Job center, a single mom of three, money for food is 1,450, 1,500 in my city for the one way show me. Now single mother show me for food. Only food. Single mother money they inside 160 something, I be 150 something. It dey inside that money plus 3 children 4. Only food 1,450, I be 1,500 for job center. Now they talk. Asset na job center they pay. Light bill na job center they pay. Insurance na job center they pay. Television na job center they pay. Dustbin na job center they pay. Money for food when the children they eat for afternoon na job center they pay. Sports money na job center they pay. So I no go understand they get one and they talk. Man, I no go talk because me I not inside the category. All right.
No, sister, not truth. Say if you get chance, I can show you because I go even dey depressed. After we don't buy children pampers, children food, even to buy African things before on a carton. After you know, still
okay, Bonnie, their asylum have problem. Okay, when your asylum have problem, meaning you cannot. You not go they get better money. I be waiting.
But our lawyer will say everything will be okay with the asylum. We'll see our lawyer, which is
They say not true.
Sister Ebony, I know they joke. As in before, when they say reach 2,000, as they come bring negative for us, we can't do, I can't use all the money where they take carry lawyer. So, as we can't come, we can't test that work.
Yes.
It had before they say 500 for a month. Yes, before we say 400 or €50.
No, I shock when you say 1,000, not verse, €1,650. Now pay us rent, pay like B, pay television, pay does B.
Just tell me the day we video. I'll call you for video call, I'll show you.
Jesus.
When I show my girlfriend where there another city now, so she be shout.
Like seriously.
Yes. Because there's something they say make me a mogamoku share Gary. Maybe they feel they pay me and my children. Maybe a lawyer will meet. Woman say she go write us as speaking. Say moku no share and say if we don't asylum as fast as we don't any job marriage certificate. So they make us be still they something the manager and they go so.
That means John said me, I don't see somebody, John said, not be one person, not be two person, not be three person. You know, the person say I be social media person. People always compare me to set is what I'm seeing. And it's almost the same. The John said that people there, they collect cricket big. Me, if I see the money, I say God of Nebuchadnezzar.
Well, we know say if person are still single, still they get some, but if still be married person and you can't see job marriage certificate, still they hard. Mostly when your partner they work, still they hard. Sister Ebony, I think that this your show, now they give me hope. Say what did this dog I go get them. Let me come on. This way.
Thank you, Mama.
Contribute this one,
okay. All right. That means nothing they saved before. Now, when your husband got the work now, not coffee they saved now. Okay. Yeah, okay, it's different. You said that they saved before.
Negative.
Okay, when they give you a negative, now everything change.
Yeah. Now we come back all the home money to go because they can't say not in 30 days. We'll come out for the country. So come back all the home money to go put on for Congo make a P. Constantly give lawyer. So use almost about 2 lawyers. You know, say this one and some lawyer before you fix it, then you pay money first. Just to talk with them. So that one. So
okay, thank you, Mama.
Nobody will say anything.
All right.
No problem.
No problem. Okay. Okay. Hello, caller.
Hello, good evening, ma.
Good evening, Mama.
Please, I want to contribute for this money saving.
We dey hear you.
Okay, I greet the house.
Now we greet you, Pastor.
This money saving is very important.
They
come from me because I recently lived Jenny.
Okay.
8 months ago. When I did at the house, people they even talk and say this woman not they eat well, she not they feed well, she not get things for room.
Okay.
When I see the way my salon be, I begin to save money. When the ones deport me and my baby, they not tell me. Now when I go renew my duty, they give me 6 months duty. As I enter expert, now I transfer to the right boot. I can't say to the right deportation is possible. As I reach out, I begin to post my things. I move because money take grant. So it's very important.
It's very important. Oh.
I was receiving 750. I was selling for €400.
Okay, you were receiving 750. You and your baby.
Yes.
You they say, and you were saving for 400 because €350. Wait till you won't eat. How many years your baby did that time?
That baby was 2 years plus.
You see, wait till the baby won't eat. Wait till he won't eat. 350 every month. Wait till the actual won't eat.
Because I don't say anything can happen.
Yes.
I come back to Italy, I don't feel like because money is in my hand.
Okay.
I don't feel like this. I come back. It will be say I look at the rent, I can still rent my house this, but I can't call that government. I still do it. Since they receive months more, I still stand. I don't feel anything. It's very important. Not look fashion, not look people when they do fashion. To come up for Jeremy, so they decorate room, so they do.
If I dey see Aduro people, the way they decorate their room, I go dey cry. Aduro person go do go decorate us. I'm not the jealous now. But I also may I talk. It's not necessary in the moment. Get paper first. I beg sister.
As for the year, someone that they say, even if now 100 if you say, it's very important. When I walk, I don't look back.
You see, huh?
It's very, very important.
Okay.
If money there with you, even if you pass through stress, you know, to feel like, if money not there with you, I don't know your point, they say you want wait. And I come out, you never said they really find me on Sunday night.
Yeah.
Yes. They really find me I don't already get Italy that time. I would say my wait now. When you make 1 week for the pay, I don't give my wait when you collect how much money I move.
Oh, you see, Anna, because you know say you get money. When some people they're not safe, they wait for mortgage the money before they go move.
You know, guys, they eat. They do unnecessary things.
No, Anna, ma, what on in
Yes. Very important. I beg.
Thank you, Mama.
For your own good.
Thank you, Mama. God
Thank
bless
you.
you. Thank you.
All right, ma.
All right.
Good night.
Good night, ma. You see, somebody right just now say, how you know if he say 400? If not some people, they'll still tell you say, that 400 not go reach. Now, let me talk and say, if you get little children, you can save a lot. Because children don't know how to select. Now, food when you put for table, they eat. There are some food you make homemade food. Not go they buy food. Make homemade. Teach your children how to eat your culture food. Let me my children, they eat African food. It's very good. Teach them your culture food. Any food where you could, they go eat them. It also make you save money. Don't be say, my picking not they shop this and that way they eat. You not reach up African food though. Now, my sister, now your money you won't finish. You're not fish out though. Why? No.
Hello?
Hello, sir. Daddy Gio.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yes, no, sir. No talk and finish for that big page.
Yes.
This money, when they talk, so many people they save.
Yes.
You know why? Because I think say people they genuine. They don't spend. It's just like they listen to one woman just like say your husband, since your husband start work, say you're not gonna see money like that again.
Yes.
That one, anybody know they use that one as an excuse.
Okay.
If your husband, as that woman, so when they talk to your husband, they work, so make she no use as an excuse. If your husband work, say they pay house rent, pay lights bill, pay their bills when they get, at least they know they get like 700 euro from their hand.
Instead of 100, 150 that they get, so I made the tea shock me. Oh.
That one big like money. I no support that one. A person go work 1,600 euro a month. Then if you can't, after the expenses, you can't get 100 euro for inside. Where government say me for the same money till they eat. 100 euro.
Hey. Oh, network, oh. Somebody say my children, they select. Yes. There are certain food people don't like eating. Sure you they get. When children not they like eat. When you teach your children your food, there are certain food they will not like inside that your African food. Not be all African food when they cook. Not be all my children they eat. There are some they like, there are some they don't like. But some people, their children not they eat African food for 1 second. They can't. Now, chon. What do they call them? I don't just know. Chon. Let me some children, if you raise them up, they be like this. A burger. My son, you know if you toast my son up. My son say waiting. Whenever shop better padenyam and melon soup finish. If you raise them. Now let me say they don't eat Jama food. They say they eat Jama food too. I've been a chicken wings, I've been a pommes. Those are things. But there are certain things you teach your children. It depends on the situation when you day. Situation day when you go day. Try manage. Why me? Daddy Gio, your call. Hello, sir.
Hello, Ebony.
Sir.
Talk.
Yes.
For that, For that woman, just my way, why they talk. She tell you say na €100 after the tax and everything, na €100 that they collect.
Now what he talk? He say after they don't pay everything, they'll get €100 or 150. That's what he talk. Now what she talk just now with that?
For this Europe.
Me, I not believe that one also. Ha!
Person husband they work €1,500 a month.
What has that for?
€500. What has that for?
He say government they give them 250, so that's 300. They will pay us rent, pay light bill, pay water bill, pay afternoon food for picking for kindergarten. How much can remain?
Then at the end of the day, because €100 can remain from there.
Now which thing she talk about? I bet my people not be waiting she talk yesterday. Say 100 to 150.
No, Ebony, maybe you not hear away. How a person go work €1,300 for a month? How person go work €1,300 for a month? Government knows say this person get wife and picking for house. Then they will come bill and with tax of almost 1,000. Might just say they work 1,003. Then they get 150. That means government they collect 1,250 for tax.
No, for house rent and light bill and everything. Say after tax and everything, go get 1,400 for pockets. The husband go get 1,400 for pockets. The social go come give the 250 or 300. He say inside there after the don't pay light bill, pay everything, all bills. Go look at electricity. They go come get 100 to 150. Don't be so the woman at all just now.
No, when you call him again, it's not. How you go? That one not they happen for this. You know they happen for this world.
I don't understand what she talk.
You know understand what she talk. How they go pay person monthly salary 1,300. Then they'll come collect 1,200, €250 for inside. Now 50.
Now what he talk oh. Now make me the tea shock me because my own brother na see social, you not get paper. I know how much you take they eat, the way they get for a month. The government they assist, they pay us rent, pay lights bill, pay everything. They see they get more than 1,000 in a month for food. How many of them for?
This one is a general public talk, and I want talk. So this saving of a thing. Many people they save money because why? You see this Italy going back to changing of country of a thing. If you don't get money, the country will hard you. And if he hard you now, you go want to come back to the journey again when they say no good. Now, then our people, they get it wrong. If you want, at least you as a family, even though say that they pay you the single mother, they pay you €590. That €590 with your one picking, whether they pay that €590, at least try to be saved at least €150 or €100. You no need to buy, not be say you're not going to buy something, you will buy, not be always, not be all the time. Because the day when Jamie will knock on your door, say, time don't reach, say you take come out, and money no can deal with you. For this Europe, nobody they borrow you money. Even they say your own blood sister self, if you tell me they borrow you money, nobody bring give you money. So now make our people think they get around. If they can't reach the country, so they not fit get patient. Like Italy of 18 now, they not going get patient. They go one run come back to Germany again because money no day. Else when you gather like €3,000 change country, even if anyhow when the country take day, it go stay because you know say money day with her. They enjoy it. And they eat food when you want, and the children they eat food when you want. So the country not go like to come out. If now when in the scenario when money no come day, many people they say they want come back to Germany. Many people they save money now. Not be when they don't start to be worried. The night they save money. At least everybody at least a month they save €100. You know, say this money. This €100, maybe your savings.
Yeah, €100 every month is a lot of money in the year. Oh.
Yes.
It's 1,200 in a year. Calculator for 7 years when you take the Deutschland, or 6 years, or 10 years.
Yes.
Do you know how much is that?
Yes. Anybody when know they save money for Europe. Anybody when they, say sometimes they'll say why you would save money for Europe? They say they know they save money for Europe. They save money for Europe. Now depends of how you take do them. But they save money.